Been calling me. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today I am doing my May closeout. We're gonna see how much money we saved in the month of May. I already have the beginning balances. I'm excited to see what my ending balances are. So let's jump into it. Alright y'all, so we are going to kick it off with the 10K challenge just because I need these bills to consolidate some of my other envelopes. So 10K, we started out the month with 3,315. Let's see where we are right now. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 859, 950, 1,000. So this here is $1,000. We're gonna put that to the side, and we got ourselves a 1K slip. So I'm just gonna add that there. So now we have 50, 70, 90. Let's see if we could do 5 20s actually. 20, 40, 60, 81. So we're just gonna swap this out. Let's see, we can get this 50, 70, 80, 90, 100 again. So we can swap this out again for another $100. And then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we're just gonna swap this out for a 30. All right. So let's see how much we're ending. Let's see how much we ended the month of May with. Okay, so we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 1, 2, 20, 30, 35. So we're ending off our 10K challenge with $4,235. That is good. That's almost 1,000 difference, but we're gonna see. 4,235 minus 3,315. That is a $920 difference. All right, so we're just gonna take it back to the front now that we have some money that we can swap out. All right, so car maintenance, we started off the month with 180. And we're ending it off with 100, 20, 40, 60, 81. So I'm going to swap this out. So we're ending off the month with 100, 200, 220. Which is a $40 difference. All right, next is travel. We started off travel with 40. Let's see where we are. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140. I feel like we can get 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Ooh. We can get a $100 bill in here though for travel. So 50, 70, 90, 100. Swap this out. So now we have 100, 20, 40. All right, so travel we have 140, which gave us a profit of 100. Emergency, we started off at 310. We're ending at 100. Well, first let's see if we can consolidate anything. 20, 40, 60, 81. So we could definitely get 100 in here. I think that's it. So we're ending with 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, and 390. So we're at 390, which is a +8. And by the way, guys, please don't pay attention to these budgeting sheets. I just have not had the time to update them yet, but I promise I will update them the next time you see them. All right, debt snowball. We are emptying debt snowball. So everything, we started off at 0. We're always going to end at 0 just because I empty this every month. So we have 100, 200, 300, $400 for debt snowball. Room, we started off at 80. We're ending with, let's see if we can get rid of anything, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So just gonna swap this out for a hard $100 bill. For room, we are at 100, which means that is a plus 20. Christmas, we started off with 50 and we're ending with 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I feel like we can consolidate this a little bit. I'm just gonna get rid of the 5s and just get a 20. Yeah. So Christmas, we're at 60. So that's plus 10. All right, next we have medical. Now medical, I am taking money out. I spent $55 for as my copay, so I need to take that out. So 20, 40, 55. So 55 is going back into my buffer. So medical, we're ending at $10, $15. So medical, we're at 15, which is a negative 40. All right, birthday, we started off the month at 5. We're ending at 5, 10, 15. Just gonna get a $10 bill if I can find one. I think I have one. Yep. Just gonna get a 10 and put these 2 5s over there. So we're at 10, 15. So 15, and that is plus 10. We already did 10K for YouTube. So I had to, unfortunately, repurchase my battery and my charger pack, which was a 50. So I'm gonna take out 50 out of here, and we're ending the month off at 1,050, 70, 71, 72. So $1,072, which is just plus 50. YouTube definitely took a hit this month just because I was improving some equipment and also the mishap of losing my battery and the charger. So now it's time to calculate to see what is our overall. So now we're about to add up to see what our overall progress is for the month of May. Okay, so I'm just going to add up my ending balances. So 220 plus 140 plus 390 plus 100 plus 60 plus 15 plus another 15 plus 4,235 plus 1,072. So right now we're at $6,247, and then we're going to subtract the beginning balance for the month, which was $5,017, which gave us an overall difference of $1,230. So that is really good for the month of May. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to count this to see how much money is being deposited into the bank. All right, so let me organize these really quickly. Y'all, so this is how I'm about to do this. I'm just gonna count the denomination. So I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 50, 100, 150, 253, 354 plus 400. So that's 1,000. I have 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. So we have 360. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So plus 80. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. All right, y'all, so in total we are depositing $1,505 into my bank account. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys, and happy budgeting.